Hi everyone, I'm Saket from IBM QRadar team, and in this video I'll show you how to reassign the custom rule ownership to another user using the QRadar GUI and QRadar REST API. When deleting the user in IBM QRadar, the system performs a dependency check. If the users own any component such as custom rules, report, dashboard, or custom event properties, the deletion will be blocked. To proceed, all dependency must be either reassigned to another user or removed entirely. Let's walk through an example. I am currently logged in as admin user. Let's navigate to the admin tab. Then go to the user management and click users. Now I will attempt to delete the user test user 1. Click delete. As you can see, QRadar prevents the deletion because this user still owns one or more custom rules, and the system does not allow deletion while such dependency exists. To know the dependency, just click on View. As you can see, there is a dependency of the custom rule. To know more details, just click on View. Here is the rule name, and the owner of this rule is test user 1. Let us first look how to change the rule ownership using QRadar GUI. Our goal is to transfer the ownership of the rule from test user 1 to another user, let's say test user 2. To change the ownership, just click on test rule 1 and then click reassign the ownership. Now here you can change the ownership to another user. Now let's say we want to change the ownership to test user 2 and then click reassign. As you can see, we have successfully reassigned the rule ownership using the QRadar GUI. Just click OK and then click cancel. Now we have successfully reassigned the ownership from test user 1 to test user 2. Now let us check if there are any dependency remaining. Now again we'll click on test user 1 and click on dependents. As you can see, there are no dependency and you can remove the user if you want to. So that's how you can change the ownership from the GUI. Now let us understand how to change the custom rule ownership using the QRadar REST API. Let me walk you through an example. I am currently logged in as an admin user. Now let us navigate to the admin tab. Then under the user management, click on users. Now I will attempt to delete the user test user underscore old. As you can see, QRadar prevents the deletion because this user still owns one custom rule and system does not allow deletion while such dependency exists. To know the rule detail, click View. Again click View. Now you can see the rule name is test rule and the owner of this rule test user underscore old. Let's click cancel. Our objective now is to transfer the ownership of this rule from test user underscore old to another user, let's say admin, via QRadar REST API. First, we need to find the rule ID. In order to find the rule ID, click on Interactive API for Developers. Here, click on Analytics and Rules. Now you can scroll down and in the query filter, type name equals the name of the rule. Once you type the rule name, click on Try it out. Here, you will find the rule ID. Just make sure that you note the rule ID. Now click Analytics, Rules and ID. Scroll down and type the ID which we found in the previous step. Now click Try it out. Here you can see the owner is test user underscore old. To change the owner, click Post. Again scroll down, type the ID which we retrieved from the previous step and in the body section, Input the new owner's username like this. In the curly braces, in the quotes owner colon, in quotes the username which you want to replace with. Click try it out to apply the changes. Now you can see the owner changed from test user underscore old to admin. That's it. Ownership of the rule has now been successfully transferred to admin. Let's go back and try to delete the user again. Now you can see there are no dependency and we are good to delete the user. As you can see, it works. The dependency issue is resolved. Once you delete the user, you need to perform the deploy changes. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you need further assistance, feel free to check the helpful link in the description.